Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve one word problem based on the sets theory. The set theory will have word problems in your examinations and those questions can be asked for 3 to 4 marks depending on the type of questions which are asked in that particular problem. So let's solve one example here. For sake of example, we are going to solve one from practice set 1.4 of Maharashtra State Board 9th Standard Mathematics 1 subject. From practice set 1.4, question number 3 we are going to solve. So let's see the question. Remember one thing, during solving the word problems, you need to read the question very slowly and you have to understand it. So let's see the question now. In a competitive exam, 50 students passed in English, 60 students passed in mathematics, and 40 students passed in both the subjects. None of them failed in both the subjects. See, this line is pretty important. None of them failed in both the subjects. So from this we need to find the total number of students. So let's keep this question aside. I have copied that question over here. So now let's start solving the question. Here, for the students who have passed in English, mathematics and both the subjects, we are going to assign them a particular set. So let's say that let E is equal to set of students passed in English. So we have assigned set E as a set of students who have passed in English. Also, M is equal to set of students passed in mathematics. I'm writing it as maths. Now we are known the number of students who have passed in English and mathematics. So therefore N of E is equal to, now in English the number of students who have passed are 50. So N of E is equal to 50, and similarly N of M means the students who have passed in mathematics are 60. These two things we are known. Now there are 40 students who have passed in both the subjects. Both the subjects means in English as well as in mathematics. So these number of students, 40 students, are common who have passed in English as well as mathematics, and common elements are represented by intersection of two sets. So therefore N of E intersection M is equal to 40. 40 means nothing but the students who have passed in both the subjects. So from this given data we need to find total number of students. So we are going to use the formula for union and intersection of two sets. Therefore N of E union M is equal to N of E plus N of M minus N of E intersection M. In this particular formula we are just going to substitute the values, so we will get the total number of students. Therefore N of E union M, we need to find the total number of students. So value of this particular thing is not known right now, equal to N of E is 50 plus this one is 60 and minus 40 we are going to do. So after performing this particular expression, 50 plus 60 is 110, and from this 110 we need to subtract this 40. So our answer is 70. So in words we have to write total number of students equal to 70. Remember, in case of word problems, you have to write the answer in proper sentence at the end of your solution. Then only you will get complete marks, or there are chances if you do not write this final statement, half of the mark can be lose. I hope you have understood this word problem. Similarly, you can solve the rest of the word problems from the set theory. Thank you.